All right, parts you'll need for this design, we're going to start here with the screw tab cap, also known as the table cap. This is 1 inch. You're going to need 2 of these. Next, you're going to need the reducer that goes in there like that. It goes from 1 inch to 3/4. You're going to need 2 of those. Next, you're going to need this 90-degree elbow. This is 3/4 inch. Next, you're going to need your pipe. We have one section cut to 32 inches long. We suggest using Schedule 80, but Schedule 80 is thicker, stronger, and it's not going to have as much flex. And then we have 2 sections cut to 2 inches long of the Schedule 80 PVC pipe as well. All right, let's go over the items that Circo Innovations does not carry. You need 6 screws to hold those pieces in right there. You're gonna need some type of spray that matches your decor. We chose this hammered look. Turned out really nice, as you guys could see earlier in the video. You need something to cut your pipe. We have a pipe cutter here, and you're all set. Assemble this, take your table cap, your reducer, fully seat that in. You can glue it if you'd like. Then we're gonna take these 2-inch sections, place them into these sections here as the reducers. All right, you're gonna wanna fully seat this, make sure it's nice and tight. If you decide to glue your setup here, remember not to glue one of these ends so you can take it off and put your curtains off and on. All right, we're here at the window that we're gonna be using it for. We're gonna go ahead and fit test it, make sure it looks good, then we'll go ahead and paint it. That looks pretty good to me. We'll just even it out after we paint it. Painting went well. Now let's go ahead and throw it in with the screws. Let's say that you have some heavy curtains that you need to support. Go ahead and use the slip T item. It's gonna slide right onto the pipe just like this. Position it in the middle. It's gonna support the extra weight. It's gonna be able to mount to the wall just like the ends do. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. To purchase any of our items, go to www.circoinnovations.com.